Hey everyone, how are you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I saw some of the younger girls that I follow talk about this particular eyebrow product that I think is brand new. It is by, and let me grab mine, it is by Salon Perfect, and it is a tri-tip brow marker. It comes in two shades. I got both of them, universal taupe and also dark brown. Even though my eyebrows are dark, I kind of don't like them to look really dark, but I thought I would try both of these and see how they worked. I don't know all the claims on those. I will talk to you about the claims as I'm doing the demonstration of these. I actually have been playing around with these. I think it takes a little bit of mastering the skill as to how to apply these. I think these may be a good alternative to me. I am very chicken of pain. Don't like a lot of pain. I don't want to get my eyebrows microbladed because I'm kind of scared of what the final product may look like. They may be thicker than I want, darker than I want. I kind of like things sometimes that are temporary, that I don't have to worry about them wearing off because I hate them. This may be an option for me. I've tested this out once or twice, and I think I've kind of started to master how to use these little tri-tip brow markers so that you get a more natural appearance to your eyebrows. This is what the tip looks like. You can see the three kind of little prongs sticking out of the brush. This is supposed to give you a very natural brow, and I believe it's supposed to be smudge proof. We'll test that out. Let's test these out right now, and I'll let you know how I feel about them. I'm going to work backwards at this. I did this brow with the Salon Perfect brow pen, and I'm going to do the smudge test now and then remove this eyebrow and show you how I did it. So first let me do the smudge test now because it's had time to dry, and I would say if you really rub, you will get this product off. So I wouldn't necessarily say it does a great kind of rub smudge test, but it's good enough because I normally don't go in rubbing my eyebrows with my fingers anyway. So let me remove this with eye makeup remover and we will try to do this brow again together. Remember, I'm kind of a novice at the application. I have not quite mastered it yet, but I just want to give you kind of the gist of how this works in case you haven't seen this product yet. I don't have any brows. I'm gonna have this little piece right here, and the rest is history. I'm going to start out with the universal taupe shade first because I'm kind of a chicken when it comes to putting down. I really should use the dark brown, I guess. Let's start out with universal taupe shade first. Okay, so the little prongs, the little three-prong thingamajiggy there, tip. Okay, for the front here, I'm going to use these prongs and I'm going to kind of go in the direction that my eyebrows would normally go. And it's kind of the harder you press down, the more product you get, the lighter the touch, the better. And you may not actually see everything I'm doing. You'll at least get the idea whether or not it looks somewhat realistic or whether these are worth anything. They were only $5 something, $5 something. Can you make this look realistic when you don't have any eyebrows? So I did that. Let me take a brush, kind of brush through this a little bit. And now let me use this shade, which is the taupe. Oh, I put down the dark one first. I thought I was using taupe. Now I'm putting the taupe on. I have a little makeup remover on this swab, and let me just clean up. It's going to take a lot of practice with these things because as with any product I use that's kind of a marker, it looks like I have a spot right there that has no color in it. But when I turn to the side, you can see There is color there. What that is it's a shiny kind of reflection from that shiny marker, and that's why I always put a fiber product on top of any waxy product or anything I use on my brows, because the fiber kind of tones down that shininess and makes my brows look more realistic. Maybe in combination with my cherry blooms. I don't know. Let's start again and start with the taupe. Universal taupe. If you try to go over a spot that you already did, it picks up the product again. You know, it reminds me of the Wonder Brow, except with prongs, with little prongs, little tip. Maybe if you have eyebrows already, it works for you. But for me, it makes my eyebrows look shiny. I don't like that. If anybody knows how to use that to make it work on brows where you don't have brows, so it doesn't make it look super shiny, like you put a magic marker on your eyebrow, let me know. Thankfully, these weren't that expensive. I'm only out 10 bucks.